This is a video demonstration of how to properly disconnect and get the GCDMS suitcase ready for storage. First thing to do is to go to the collection computer and make sure that the temperatures on all the peripherals, 5 peripherals listed in the lower right corner, are less than 50 degrees Celsius to avoid burning any components inside the suitcase. Afterwards, we go to the SIGNX Expert software and properly disconnect and shut down the SVAC. After closing down Expert software, the communication cable between the collection computer and the SVAC is disconnected. Communication cable is labeled E2. After disconnecting the SVAC communication cable, the power cables are disconnected from the outlet. All 3 can be pulled at once at no particular order. After the power has been disconnected, you will have E3, E4, and E5 lines unplugged. After disconnecting the power, the Arduino communication cable can be disconnected from the collection computer. After properly shutting down the software, the graphical user interface software. This is the E1 cable. At this time, my gas lines are still connected, while my power lines and communication lines are disconnected. Next, I will disconnect the S1 cable from the nitrogen line, and afterwards cap it immediately with paraffin. The helium line is disconnected and once again capped with paraffin. Lines S3, S4, and S5 may or may not be already disconnected. At this time you can disconnect them and cap them with paraffin. To get the suitcase ready for storage, I will first fold my gas lines and bring them inside the suitcase to avoid damaging them when the lid comes down. I will take my power cables and my communication cables and also put them inside the suitcase, making sure no wires are sticking out around the edges, as they will get damaged. I will gently close the lid and lock down the latches. The suitcase is now ready for storage.